So agents, as a top producer to yourself, no matter who you are in the business, there are a few things that have really accelerated my career, and that no matter, again, where you are, whether you're a new agent, you're 6 figures, 7 figures, if you're already at 7 figures, you're going to know and you're going to relate to this. But some of the things that I've learned is that coaching, training, mentors, they make a huge difference in the level of success that I have and that you will have. I'm Kim Barber with Kim Barber Group and eXp Realty, and I've helped thousands of owners and agents with real estate since 2004. Gratitude and things we say, affirmations every day, that quite honestly, without having somebody that's really there to be in your corner and pushing you, it can make us stay back, right? As well, is that the personal development and the growth has to do with what are you good at? What are the things that you need to practice? What are the things that you could be exposed to that maybe you didn't know anything about? Or even better is, what are the things that you're doing that perhaps are costing you money that we have no idea? And so there are events and things that you can go to and attend. For example, depending on when you're watching this, there's the Realtor Conference, which is coming up April 17th to the 21st of 2023. So again, when you're watching this now, if this is already past it, this is still relevant, but if not, the links are below, or where I'll be speaking at next, or even attending one of my live presentations. So I'm sharing this because I've been coached by some of the best: Tom Ferry, Mike Ferry, Russell Brunson, a lot of masterminds around the country. And when I see and hear these other people, I leave inspired. I always have something that I take away. And that's what I want to encourage you as an agent. And this is just, casual couch conversation, agent to agent conversation that is critical. So one of the agents that I actually helped grow from, leaving bartending, doing it part-time, evolving into being a full-time agent, and we stepped aside and had lunch together about a year ago. And he was like, Kim, you help, so many things that you learn, like lead generation, scripts. For me, following up is one of my things that I really help people with, that you'll see in the live presentations as well. That he goes, one thing that really not as many people talked about that helped me accelerate is personal development. And that is something that, again, reading, we're still inside our heads. We read things the way we do, but we need to do it, right? When I get down or when I struggle, I've had some health issues, if you know my story, remembering to go back into those things that I've learned from other people has helped me push through the difficult times. My gratitude journal, or getting the negative out of my head. Those are some of the personal development. Or learning how to be accountable to yourself, getting up every day, starting your day with importance and intentions, building dream boards, thinking bigger. All of these personal development things lead into the hard days where we deal with rejection, right? If it takes 99 no's to get to that one yes, how do we get there, right? And so this is where the other things, whether you have the coaches, the trainings, a master class, a mastermind, colleagues, just getting these things in front of us do make the difference, right? So when we say, what is the difference of one of agent compared to the other, like what makes them really strive and you see them excel and exceed, these tips and tricks and growth things are one of the major reasons and things that every successful agent does. Okay, so I wanted to share this with you, kind of like Kim's conversations that if I'm going to start to do, because really it's just those casual conversations that, like, how do you get past the hard days? Like, how do I generate new deals? What do you say to these people? How do I call my friends and build my sphere and not sound salesy, right? These are also the things that we learn when we collaborate, when we have a coach, when we have colleagues that are pushing through, that great agents don't mind to share, because not everybody will. So I just wanted to share this with you. I could go on and on and on about these different topics, but personal development, personal growth, coaching and training has its purpose. And again, if you haven't attended one of my live masterclasses or my masterclasses, check the links in the bio or the descriptions and attend, because there I will share with you what I watched over my 6-year health challenges where I had a lot of leads. I was pouring 190 leads into my system a month, and on track, to do $1 million a year. And then I got hit with some major health things that really took a lot of my time over a 5 approaching 6 year health battle. But how did I stay positive through it? It's from these coaching and training and being around a great circle of people, learning how to ask for help. And then in that journey, I watched, where leads would fall through the cracks, right? And then I went and built the blueprint that anybody with experience or without could follow and know exactly what to do in real estate. So when you're around agents that are willing to help you, are willing to put in the work with you and give you personalized attention, it can really accelerate your growth. So I hope that this has helped you realize the importance of just getting a support system, no matter if it's a hired coach or not, joining myself if you would like. And so thanks for joining you. If you have not, if this is the first video and you have not subscribed to my channel or my notification or following me, I would invite you to do that, because this is my journey, I believe, into my old age, is to give back to my agent community so that you and they can also have a successful life, live your dream life, build your dream life. So please reach out, comment below, and I hope that I can help you with your journey in real estate success.